Yes, I know. It's 10 a.m. here. I'm really excited. I didn't know I made a sale.
Yes, you made a sale. Can you please share the screen so that
Sure.
we can
Yes, sir.
exactly see how much
Yes,
have
sir.
you made and how much have you spent? I think
Okay.
this is the very first time, very first sale for you.
Hi, sir. I'm gonna
Yeah,
show you my uh computer.
sure,
Can
sure.
you see?
Of
This is
course.
ClickBank.
Uh, okay, okay. So you have joined from your mobile. You can also join the same from your PC, from laptop itself.
Okay. I'll
Yeah, it will
remember
be
that
very,
next time.
yeah, it will be easy for us to exactly know the details because अभी मोबाइल
Okay.
से तो पूरा देख नहीं पाएगा ना.
हाँ. अच्छा.
तो आप इसी सेम लिंक से अपने पीसी से ज्वाइन कीजिए.
Okay. अच्छा.
Yeah,
1 second.
yes, please.
Okay. Let me click join now.
Yes, I think now you have joined.
Yes. Okay. Let me close the mobile. Section. Okay. Is that better?
Yes, it is better. Now
Okay.
what you can do is you can now do the screen sharing by present now. There is an option for present now.
अच्छा. Yeah. मिल गया.
Okay.
And which one? Entire screen.
Yes.
And okay. इसको click करूँगा फिर share दाबूंगा.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You can now go to the ClickBank dashboard.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yes. This is how much you have made. Congratulations for your first sale. You have made
Thank you,
almost
sir.
$100, and you have got 31 clicks. And initial sale is 100% conversion rate. What does it mean? Same one person came and he just buy the product.
Wow. Amazing. I didn't मुझे पता भी नहीं था.
Yeah. It happens overnight. It is just like that. Very good. Can
है
you
ना?
please show me the amount that you have spent in Google AdWords?
Yes.
Google
Yes,
Ads?
sir.
Yes. Go to there.
There you go.
Yes, there you go. 6 clicks you have got till now and 226 impressions. CPC is 60 rupees.
Yeah.
Just 60. जहाँ पर लोगों की CPC जाती है
Wow.
300, 350, 400 रुपए. Just 60 rupees. And total you have spent 363
Amazing.
rupees. Yeah, very good, very good.
Yes.
So
Thank you.
it happened in how many days? For how many days you have run this ad?
3 days. 72 hours.
72 hours. Okay, got it. So within 72 hours, you just got 6 clicks and CPC is 60 and one sale. Very good. Many congratulations once again. I hope this must have
Thank
boosted some of your confidence that yes, online strategies really work and what we teach is something that is real stuff, not just fluff and theory.
है ना? Right?
All right, very good. So this is the amount that you have gained in your ClickBank dashboard. Go to ClickBank once again, and then later we will check whether we have to optimize this campaign much more or not, or should we keep running this. All right, very good.
अच्छा.
Yes, you can now go to the accounts section. Click on your accounts on left side.
ये dashboard.
Below reporting, there is accounts just above the users.
Oh, अच्छा. I see. Okay.
Yeah. Click on this nickname.
Yeah.
Hmm. All right, scroll down.
अच्छा.
There you can see 99.91. This is the sales screenshot. Here you will get all the details. And on March 31, you got your sale of $99. Very good.
Nice.
Okay, so
Thank you.
this proves that you are a hardworking guy and you really
Thank you.
implement the things that as we guided, and also our
Gee.
strategies work. So let's get started from first things first. Do let me know what do you think about that. Will this strategy is the strategy really helpful for you, or will you be continue doing this for a long time or not?
I'll
I'll
definitely
definitely
continue doing
continue
this for a
doing
long
this for a
time
long
as long
time
as I
as
see
long
the
as I see
results
the
keep on
results keep on
coming
coming
on and off.
on and off.
So it's
So
very,
it's very,
after the
after the
experience and
experience and
the
the
results, I think I
results, I
can
think I
trust it.
can trust it.
Very good, very good. So what was when you joined our community, what was going through your mind that should we join it or not, or were you already clear about affiliate marketing or not? What was going through your mind?
So
So
affiliate
affiliate
marketing,
marketing,
मेरी
मेरी
journey थी
journey
20
थी
years
20
ago
years
की,
ago की,
actually.
Okay.
actually.
Mm-hmm.
So that's when
So
I
that's when
learned
I
first
learned
time for
first time
affiliate
for affiliate
marketing.
marketing.
उस time
उस
पे
time
I
पे
didn't know
I didn't know
nobody या कोई
nobody या
guru
कोई
नहीं था
guru
उस
नहीं था
बारे,
उस बारे,
during that
during
era.
that era.
And
And
I didn't
I
know
didn't
who I
know
can
who I
reach
can
out to
reach out
because
to
they were
because
very
they were very
expensive.
expensive.
America में for
America
the
में for the
tutoring,
tutoring, you know.
So मैं
So
सोचा
मैं
था
सोचा था,
why not I
why not
find
I find
somebody
somebody,
where I can
where I can
afford. तो फिर
afford.
मैं
तो फिर
इंडिया
मैं
में
इंडिया
जाके
में
रिसर्च
जाके
करने
रिसर्च
लगा,
करने लगा,
देखने को अगर
देखने
कोई
को अगर
मिलेगा
कोई मिलेगा
इंडिया का.
इंडिया का.
So and that's how
So
I
and that's
found
how I
you.
found you. You know,
Your price is
your price is worth
much
much
more,
more,
decent compared
decent
to
compared to
American
American
affiliate
affiliate
marketer
marketer
teachers.
teachers.
Yeah.
So
So
इसलिए
इसलिए
that's how I came
that's how
into
I
your
came into your
course.
course.
All right. I have learned the affiliate marketing from American company. You must have heard the name Legendary Marketer.
अच्छा,
Acha,
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
The CEO is David Sharp.
Okay, yep.
Okay,
You
yeah,
mentioned
you
his name
mentioned his
before.
name before.
Yes, yes. So when they ban Indians, then I started affiliate Indians.
अच्छा.
Acha.
I think you're
I
the
think
only
you're the
one
only
actually
one
sir
actually sir
जो अभी
जो
इंडिया में
अभी इंडिया
affiliate
में affiliate
marketing
marketing
जो
जो
teaching करे हो.
teaching करे हो.
Yes, yes. Although there are many others, but they are not like us.
Right.
Right.
The way of teaching, the how we conduct the classes, everything is totally different than all those people.
Right.
So yeah, that's good. Many congratulations once again.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I will publish this interview, although it is not it's just a formal discussion between you and me, and we will publish it so that other people can also get some motivation from this.
सही.
That
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
या और लोगों को लगता है कि शायद 4-5 हज़ार रुपये या 6-7 हज़ार रुपये स्पेंड करेंगे तब जा करके एक सेल मिलेगी, बट यहाँ पर आपने देखा जो स्ट्रेटजी आपको बताई, जस्ट बाय स्पेंडिंग ₹363 यू गेन $99.91, ऑलमोस्ट. I don't know how much is the ROI. Very easy and very quick, very good. ठीक है,
Right.
तो करते हैं इसकी शुरुआत हम, और अब हम चेक कर लेते हैं अपनी कैंपेन्स को कि क्या चीज़ें सही हुई हैं, ये सेल हमको कहाँ से मिली है, और एग्जैक्टली आगे स्केलिंग कैसे करनी है.
Yes.
So you can now go to the AdWords.
Okay.
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 All right. Yes, all right. So with all that being said, I think it is enough for today. And once more, many congratulations to you.
Thank you,
You
sir.
did a great job, and looking forward to serving you more on this journey. Much more commissions to come. Keep earning while learning. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Yeah. Good night.
Okay.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.